Yeah. This is the journey. Let me tell you how it all began.
Started with a vision and a laptop. Never stopped, dropping all books from the grind. Yeah, the mind was locked. Those 7 days chasing dreams with a hunger. Looking for a lane where the world could learn younger. Every day, experts telling stories that matter. Real world skills, breaking limits and patterns. He said, keep it simple, break it down step by step. For the people who are tired of the heavy text flex. This is the Howexpert Story. Real skills, real people, real glory. A to Z in every category. We rise, we teach, we grow. This is the Howexpert Story. From one dream to global territory. Step by step, unlocking knowledge for all. Yeah, that's how the movement goes, yes. Then the world changed, tech rising like a wave. AI hit strong, but the vision didn't fade. Brought it into the mix, made the books more clean. Sharper structure, deeper guys, next level machine. Still rooted in the experts, the humans to teach. But AI built the bridge wider so more people could reach. From drawing to business, cooking to the grind. Whatever you wanna learn, we help you refine. This is the Howexpert Story. Real skills, real people, real glory. A to Z in every category. We rise, we teach, we grow. This is the Howexpert Story. From one dream to global territory. Step by step, unlocking knowledge for all. Yeah, that's how the movement goes. Not just books, it's a path for the everyday. Learn something new, build a new way, Worldwide tribe, same heartbeat. Learning together, moving in sync. Future looking bright, next chapters unlocked. Full guides, deep dives, every skill on the clock. More topics, more people, more stories we live. Howexpert forever, yeah, we're built for this. This is the Howexpert Story. Real skills, real people, real glory. Step by step, yeah. We help you grow. Yeah, that's how the movement flows. Yeah, yeah.